Welcome to our facility. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how Starbucks-style coffee is processed, from raw beans to the final roast.
Every batch is tested to ensure consistency and flavor quality.
Each batch is carefully roasted to bring out its unique flavor profile.
Check the moisture levels here. It's fluctuating again.
Adjusting the parameters now. The quality grade is stabilizing.
Am I clear on the left? Yeah, keep coming straight back. You're good. Lower it slowly.
Using advanced optical sorters, every bean is scanned. Precision air jets swiftly remove defective beans.
The moisture content is stabilizing right on target.
Good. Let's maintain this rotation speed for the next 5 minutes.
And that's how coffee is processed or fetched, from raw green beans to the rich flavor you enjoy every day.